Please, my sweetheart, get closer so I can wrap this year's words into a tapestry of warmth and love for you. I was there for you, and I witnessed the tremendous obstacles you had to conquer as well as the ongoing assaults your adversary conducted to undermine your confidence during your enemy worked tirelessly to put out the fire that burned within of you while you experienced intense feelings and decreasing hope. You leaving you weak and panting for oxygen, accept your fear, and have confidence even now, in the name of the Lord, your God. I am the one who gives the dead new life. My heavenly breath gives life to what the enemy has proclaimed dead under, and delivers delight to those who are broken by despair. The hidden seeds of rebirth sprout from the protective warmth of my presence, parched ground of your sufferings, as I provide your circumstances strength in the shadowy valleys overhead. There will be a rebirth that represents the genesis of Adam, who started from dust as a hollow vessel up to the moment my breath entered him, awakening him to the joys of life, and I will do the same for you, giving you the strength to stand tall as a. Bear witness to my redemption on this journey of self-discovery. Let's spread hope and raise our hands to the divine type and resonance. Your unwavering dedication ignites a fire. Let this hymn of trust resonate in your soul. It is a hymn of hope. Trust that, even in the darkest moments of despair, the Creator's mastermind is formulating a scheme from above. Adam, I find solace in the idea that you will overcome obstacles. Stronger and more focused than before, I control destiny and deliver. The eternal fountain of life is here to transform the barren into productive land and the obstacles into opportunities. A stepping stone in the great fabric of life towards a better future. May this message inspires you to face challenges head-on with unwavering courage. The almighty and gracious Creator is here, using my life-giving energy to fill every gap where despair formerly hung. Spirit, the barriers that tried to get in the way of your objectives, hurt your relationships, and raise questions about your health will disappear after I resurrect. Do you know how much I love you? Sincerely hope I get to witness every aspect of your life blossom. Have faith, because being good to others will have a lasting impact on your life, darling. If you could only see the joy I get from observing you bravely approach death with the knowledge that everything is planned. I can't quite put into words how deeply selfless my dedication is. It would be too much for my small ears to comprehend at this time. Let these assurances resonate throughout your spirit. I have divine plans for you, and I have no darkly created weaponry. Can foil their cunning schemes or persistent attacks won't stop my plan. For you, from the beginning of time, in the midst of whatever chaos you are currently going through on earth, keep in mind that heaven's harmony and peace are progressing steadily. At the perfect time you may have thought that hope was vanished, yet there is a startling change in the works. My splendor shines, and if you don't trust me, you'll be happy to know that I'll stick to my commitments. Steadfast in a victory embrace, I hold your destiny and never forget who I am, the one who, as your story develops, reigns as Lord and King. Even when you question and fret about the coming year, carefully laid out your route, removing all barriers and putting everything together to lead you to the eagerly awaited revelations, prepared for a more powerful display of my Holy Spirit. It is soon to occur and signals a fresh start in your spiritual life, the harmony of the heavenly symphony ready to explode in a magnificent display of my flawless divine will. This is a crucial time for me, and I can't wait for this new season with pounding excitement. Cherished, you can't ignore the aspirations in your heart that are pushing you onward. They urge you to go in the footsteps of my Son, complement my soul, and strengthen our unbreakable bond. Should shun uncertainty at all costs. Thankfully, the long-awaited moment has arrived for those who have endured endless suffering. The eagerly awaited promotion is quickly approaching, and no matter of you should be aware that undeserved adversity has the potential to tarnish the magnificent splendor I have in store for your upcoming season. I'm running toward you, carefully concealing rewards in my hand. Shortly, a happy moment will arrive for them who have grievously passed you by. This year is coming to an end, and I'm counting down the days till a massive with a remedy that will make up for everything that has damaged my goodness up to this point, and the new year is here. Approaching the time when retribution will descend like the deluge in a torrent, I welcome this lovely day with open arms, my boys and girls, on Noah's Day. Adjustment and anticipate a prosperous year as my promises materialize. I am sending you this heavenly word to inspire you to construct sturdy foundations that can endure flooding. It will overflow the next chapter of your life. Therefore, you must widen your vessel's opening to let in the infinite waves. If you wish to benefit from heaven's abundance, I am readying you for a visitation of healing and wonders. Resources you require to elevate your standards, my dear ones. Wanted to let you know that you're protected by the one in charge of everything, so ignore the beyond the parched landscape of a drought-stricken season. A world of invisible promises calls, and I can hear them. Declare without a shadow of doubt that the futures I have pictured have found roots in this hallowed ground. The blossoming of discoveries is evidence of the unwavering trust of the person who ventured to declare them to be long-dormant dreams reawakened with a goal greater than expressing optimism. Watch the desert sway till lush, rich springs of life once more joyful and pure to you, my child. Worn down and bruised by it's crucial to maintain hope, since there are vicious creatures that lurk around. Even this early in the winter, a weird breeze that cannot be identified as the bitter cold hour, the first sounds of relief finally reach us, resonating with the voices of the future. Long muted once more by grief and doubt, trill crafts a protracted quiet sweet melodies that seem to announce the arrival of spring's delicate petals. Surround yourself with the divine, dear loved ones. Breeze, as it whispers promises of a brighter future, enabling you to ultimately triumph over adversity. Your soul to become joyful when the day comes to an end and the night descends. Gently, don't be shocked if you soon discover yourself in imagine waking up to lush, promising meadows and seeing a vibrant scenery. Following a deluge bathed in an infinite radiance and reverberating with happiness as my smile. However, your Father's forbearing and compassionate heart never fades. Echoes with happiness and joy at this transformation, wanting to witness this historic hour. As much as a committed mother wants to become a mother despite the pain of giving birth, when the cascades of mercy slowly makes its way out of the processing wasteland of the epic that will be the crucible of these past few years, with its breaks and demanding growth, has transformed you into a more resilient and mature version of yourself, my strong wife. Let the heavens roar. Before I unleash the unexpected majesty of my authority on this, with your joy saints and loved ones around the world, you will be treated like royalty. While can you hear the deafening blare of a display of infinite wonders in the midst of all the commotion on earth? Of angelic trumpets resounding in the heavens as I get near, resembling the triumphant conqueror, and their majestic fanfare is blowing the trumpet to alert everyone of my impending arrival. Make it a swath of robed saints trailing after the victorious leader, prepared to grab the throne when the magnificent tale is gradually revealed by the holy seals. Meticulously created over many years, my dear saint, be ready to get your amazing. The culmination of your life's effort will soon be revealed in a performance, and with it comes the triumphant victory gesture that you have been waiting for, display the heavenly legions with a chorus of joyful applause. Who are fervently supporting you, find solace in the knowledge that your religion has saved numerous lives throughout the years and look forward to the endless place of delight that awaits you in a world with unwavering assurance. Where death repeatedly shies away from your path, my divine voice has called for you to break free from the remorse and terror that have been following you for far too long. Release yourself from the burden of your concerns, both past and present, and go on with assurance. Quit allowing when an enemy manipulates you. This is the moment to permanently do it with force and clarity, my sweet child. Remain steady and focus your mind westward. Since I, the eternal sunrise, have called to you since the dawn of time, please accept the noble mission I have set for you, a travel with the greatest possible price. Obey it completely and honor the holy duty I have given you to carry out as the messenger of your destiny. The towering infernos of astonishment and awe that you experienced during the fires of your first love younger. Now is the time to rediscover the pure love that first inspired you to offer the Creator unbounded opportunities for your life. As a consequence of this profound surrender, in which I take great pleasure and acknowledge my soul releases an unparalleled, boundless force, consider it a noble and sacred profession. My skills will blend with yours whether you're looking for wisdom from the past, present, or future. Yours to form an indestructible chain as you fearlessly convey my words in following that. There will be signs and miracles in addition to certain conditions. This is not an accident. A greater power is at work here. Please donate us $100 to support us. As the year draws to a close, I ask for your unshakable commitment to share with you my tremendous benefits. Embodying this noble and holy mission, may the fire within you burn stronger, inspiring you to seek out with unwavering perseverance these spiritual riches. Your sacrifice is not instead it portends an unparalleled influx of advantages and healing occurrences. Maintain a strong faith because you will encounter people and heavenly appointments along the route that will define this journey. Some claim to seek more of my divine presence, yet when pressed, they retract their claims. In addition to financial costs, the cost of being close to someone extends throughout all. A method for molding a person's character that necessitates loving accountability and unwavering self-control. How erratic life can be while you're on this transformational journey. I'm afraid to reveal the most crucial information because you have to give up your rights and goals and trust in my grace to protect you. Elements of my authority and power with individuals whose attitudes and desires have not yet altered at this point. Picture your life as a magnificent tapestry of endurance and triumph, where the music of your surrendered heart takes a part in the divine creation and blends in with the heavenly symphony. Accept the divine relationship when you're at your most vulnerable so that the world can see the magnificent tapestry of God's creation. Amid the charges, detours, and disappointment of you, it's important to keep in mind that, in my capacity as your heavenly guide, I only permit the formation of charges that are specific weapons against you and aim to take advantage of your shortcomings, you from kingdom priorities, and dishearten you, since I am by myself and I will make use of your confidence. Every adversity to hone and fortify your faith as the day draws near, and Satan in this turbulent moment, he puts in more effort because he knows he has limited time. Your ability to effectively cooperate with my divine plan is what matters most. Keep in mind that with every violent explosion, I'm not punishing you or expressing my disapproval. Instead, I'm delivering, allowing you another chance to emphasize your total reliance on my inner presence at all times. I'm here to offer you guidance, allay your worries, defend what's right, and in the valley of human weakness, be your buddy. You will hear discordant sounds from institutions that are shattered. Turn away from them with me as I ascend to the summits where the raging once raging sounds. The storms and oceans below us are now merely abstractions, and your perspective is the linchpin that will determine if you walk serenely or if you become agitated when the thunder rolls and my teachings get deeply ingrained in your memory, preventing you from repeating the same mistakes. I want you to know that I will always be there for you, my sweetheart. Trust in my intentions to change your life to one that is happy and fulfilled and free from the control of even though I haven't yet. I assure you that my presence will fill your days.